Why affiliate marketing in 2023? Work less, earn more, and build credibility. Hey, it's Heather here, and I help entrepreneurs navigate social media so they can make more money and have more fun in their business. Today, we're talking about why you might want to add affiliate marketing to your business model. Let's go. Recently, I just started adding affiliate marketing to my business model, and you may be asking, why now after 5 years? Why? Because there's only so many hours in the day, right? So let's level up our how we make money and kind of add extra income streams. So today we're going to dive into the top reasons why you may want to think about adding affiliate marketing to your business model and some strategies to get started. Work less, earn more. Sounds like a good plan, right? Well, in late 2022, my boyfriend and I, embarked on the amazing adventure of deciding to sell it all and work remotely from our RV. Thing is, I needed to come up with a plan to supplement my income so we could make this happen. You see, one of the most attractive aspects of affiliate marketing is you can work less and actually earn more money. How? Well, it's simple. Instead of creating your own product or service from scratch, you leverage someone else's hard work. But it's not just about making money effortlessly with no work at all. As an affiliate marketer, you have a unique opportunity to offer value and support to your audience. You can recommend products that you truly love, that you're confident about, and that you believe in, and that solves real problems for your specific community. Now, here's something that you may be thinking. Heather, I don't have proof of success. Why would someone want to purchase from me? And that's where affiliate marketing shines. By promoting programs and products that you know work right from the start, you're building credibility. Another fantastic aspect of affiliate marketing is the power of partnerships. You can align yourself with companies and entrepreneurs that have already established themselves in your niche. This not only benefits your audience, but also opens up opportunities for collaborations in the future. What's truly amazing about affiliate marketing is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere at your own pace and even have multiple business ventures. And as your credibility and audience grows, so does your ability to scale. To sum it up, affiliate marketing in 2023 is a great opportunity to work smarter, not harder. You can provide value, build your credibility, and leverage success of others. It's a win-win-win situation for everyone involved. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, consider affiliate marketing as a viable option for you. If you found this video insightful or maybe inspiring, be sure to hit that follow button and follow my journey of affiliate marketing. Let's build something amazing together. We'll see you on the next one.